A standout player, an outstanding performance today, small in stature, but playing as big as it gets. Marques Reid, first of all, good game today.
Yeah, it was a very good one today,
Alright, speak to us about how you felt when you were selected for the Dacosta Cup team.
Well, I feel good, because hard work pay off when I see it, so yeah.
Would you say it was expected or were you surprised when you got that call?
Well, now I'm gonna make it look hype, but did expect it, because I'm a pro fan. Hard work pay off, really.
Alright, so you came out today and you were constantly attacking, you were constantly a menace to the All-Manning Cup's defense. What was your mindset coming into a game like today, considering that it wasn't as serious as other games?
Well, every game, you play to improve, so I was trying to just play direct at all time today.
Did you expect to get on the score sheet? Because it seems like you always score.
It just happens sometimes, not really expect it, Never really plan, but it just happens.
Alright, what can we expect going forward? What can we expect going forward for you in your career?
Well, I don't know yet, but it's in God's plan.
Alright, once again, congrats on the selection. Good game.
Alright, thank you very much.